Verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicated against them. So we have p of x, which is equal to x square minus 1. It's in a standard form, and the negative 1 is not with the variable, so nothing to worry over here. All we have to do is put x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 1, which is nothing but 0. So this is 0 of the polynomial, because 1 square minus 1 is 0 itself, right? And p of x is equal to minus 1, we have minus 1 the whole square minus 1. So this is plus 1 minus 1, which is 0 again. So in both of these cases, we are getting the output to be 0. So we can tell as p of x being equal to 1 and p of x minus 1 are both equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 1 and minus 1 are 0 of p of x. So let's look at this graphically. This is your expression. So let's execute this. Okay, so let's zoom in. Let me kind of put it in this way so that it's better to discuss. Yeah. Actually, this is a better graph. Okay, let me take a snapshot of this so that you guys are not confused. The same thing. But anyways, let me not confuse you guys. Yeah. Now, we know that this is your y-axis. That's where we have your p of x. And this is your x-axis. So for an output of 0, what should be the input? For that, I need to trace along the horizontal. So this and this are the point wherein the graph is crossing. So the corresponding x-axis is minus 1 and plus 1. Right? That's what we got. So 0 of the polynomial means that input value which makes the output to be 0. So graphically, you can have a look at the 0 by adjusting your graph. So if we do this, so you can clearly see this particular graph is crossing the x-axis at minus 1 and plus 1. And so minus 1 and plus 1 are your zeros. Got it? So input value which makes output to be 0 are your zeros of the polynomial. Okay? Right? So this is your answer. So pause and have a look.